Hi guys, it's Grace here. I'm back with another wedding vlog, and today I want to talk about welcome bags for your wedding guests. So traditionally when you're getting married and you have guests coming in from out of town, or if you're doing a destination wedding, it's a really nice gesture to welcome your guests with a bag of snacks, treats, maybe local delights, and a little welcome note or things to do while they're in town for your wedding. Of course, welcome bags are totally optional, and a lot of couples will opt out of it, and I understand why, because one, they're kind of expensive, and two, they're kind of a logistical nightmare to manage. But I do think if you have it in your budget and you have the time and energy to take it on, it's a really great way to welcome guests to your wedding. So for our wedding welcome bags, I found these adorable jute bags on Etsy. I'll link them down below, and filled it with some of our favorite things. I got this cute dusty blue ribbon at a craft store in LA locally, and then we also included a little note here that matched our invitation suite that I got off of Minted, and it basically just has information about the wedding, parking information, and I push people to our website to learn more about what to do while they're in town for our wedding. Inside the bag, I'm so excited about it because I should also mention this was the one and only DIY that I did for our wedding, and it made me so happy because it's so personal. I really wanted to put things in there that I thought people would like or use and not, throw away or leave behind. And so it was kind of fun. So first things first, we have a bottle of water. Fiji's my favorite. These I got off of Amazon. Who doesn't need water when they're traveling? I need like 5 in my hotel room. We also put in a bag of salt and vinegar kettle chips. These are our favorite. Love, love, love. Also from Amazon. I also included a bag of gourmet popcorn from the Hampton Popcorn Company. These are chocolate covered caramel popcorn and have been a favorite of mine for a very long time. They come in this really cute packaging. You can order them bulk online as well. And then, pistachios that are garlic flavored by the Santa Barbara Pistachio Company. If you guys haven't tried these are the bomb. They're so good, and my husband and I love them. So those are it for snacks. You can also add like a piece of fruit or something local in the bag. I once went to a wedding where in this cute little town called Solvang, and they're like this little Danish town, and in the welcome bag were these 2 pastries from a local bakery, and I thought that was such a lovely little local touch. So outside of snacks, I found these adorable Turkish beach towels off of Etsy. Yeah, really big Turkish beach towels. I thought it would be nice in case anyone wanted to go to the beach while they're in town for the wedding. Plus, they pack flat, so they're really easy to take home. I use these all the time. Whenever guests come over, or if we're sitting on outdoor furniture, I'll throw these down. They're great. I got those off of Etsy. I'll link them down below as well. We also included PPE. So we have a cute little mask that says spread love, not germs. We actually sell these on Birdy Gray in packs of 10 in case you're interested. And then a little bottle of sanitizer that I took it upon myself to DIY. I was so proud of, but we basically sourced these bottles off of Amazon, and I got like a large sanitizer bottle, pumped each one individually, and then we got these labels off of Zazzle, and it took me like one afternoon. It was no big deal, but we had these in the welcome bags, and then also we had extra bottles that we put all around the reception, which was great. And that's it for the welcome bag. So the logistical piece of welcome bags are a little tough. It's a little more manageable if you are having a destination wedding and all of your guests are staying at the same hotel. That's one thing. For us, we had a lot of guests staying at this one hotel, but pretty much people were staying at Airbnbs and different hotels throughout Santa Barbara. And so I basically had to track down where everyone was staying, what day they were checking in, and how many people were in the room. So each couple got one welcome bag, and then each single person got one each. So even if singles were staying in the room together, they would get 2 bags each. And so there was a bit of coordination involved. And then we had to drop them off on the morning that they're arriving. I enlisted my parents to help me with the drop off. God bless them. Otherwise I would have been running all around town. But for the most part, you know, for the one-offs that were staying at different Airbnbs, we actually had them pick up their welcome bags at our welcome drinks, which was a lot easier to manage. And it was only like 10 to 15 bags in total. In terms of assembling them, it was kind of fun because we enlisted all of our family members to help us assemble the bags the night before welcome drinks. And so we had, you know, my husband's little nephews, I had my little nieces, I had my family, my parents, all helping us assemble, like assembly line style, our welcome bags. And it turned out to be really fun and interactive and a great way to get the kids involved in preparing for the wedding. So in conclusion, I would say if you can and you want to, wedding bags are a fun project to DIY, especially if you're not a DIY bride. I absolutely wasn't. It was the one thing that I did, and I'm so glad I did. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe down below, and leave us a comment about other types of videos that you want us to do. Bye.